If you want to insert a blank rows in between your data in MS Excel like this, then this video is just for you. Welcome to the 1 minute Excel tip video series where we can learn some very useful tips and tricks in just a minute. So to add blank rows in between your data, all you have to do is just select your serial numbers range and then copy and paste it just below your table. Guys, if you don't have serial numbers column in your data, then you can insert blank column and add numbers here. But right now we have serial numbers in our data, so just select your data range and then go to Data tab and then click on Sort. Now select your row where your numbers are. In this case it's serial number column, so just select serial number, then just click on OK. Look, blank rows are inserted in your data. But wait, we don't need these odd looking numbers here. So just select your top row or the headings row, then go to Data tab and select Filter. Click on any row from any of these headings except serial number column and then select blank and click on OK. Now select these numbers and simply delete them. Now click on the filter list again and then select all and click on OK. Look, your data is ready now. So guys, this is how we can insert blank rows in between our data in MS Excel and save our valuable time. So that's it guys for this video. If you like this video, do hit the like button down below, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do hit the subscribe button down below. That's it for this video, and I'll see you on my next one.